So guys, let's see if today the wind is not that much so that we can go to the field and just have a talk. It's a bit early today and I just want to walk, and I think I feel so tired staying in the house. Yesterday I had a good time. I had a wonderful time. Hey, I have left my mic again, so I need to go and pick up my mic. What is wrong with me? I guess these mics are not doing me what I wanted them to do for me. That's why I keep on forgetting them. From wherever you are, my beautiful people, thank you so much for coming back to this channel to listen to me as I talk. The walks are over. I think I did a good walk yesterday. I really walked a lot. To an extent. The evening, yesterday evening, when I wanted to go to the field and it was very windy, I couldn't. And my body was also telling me, you are tired, Judiro, you are tired today and you need to take a break, you need to take a rest. Somehow our bodies do communicate with us. It's only that we do not understand our bodies. The wind has just begun. Kwani hii upepo inajonga nikitaka kwenda kumake videos kwa field, because it was so silent and I decided nature playing tricks with me. It has been so quiet. The wind hasn't been there, but now that I wanted to go to the field, suddenly the wind is there. And it is strong. It is very strong. It is actually very strong. The wind is just too much. Good morning, guys. Good evening. Good afternoon. From wherever you are listening and watching me. Thank you for coming back to this channel. I do appreciate you a lot. We still have to do the video today, whether the wind is there or not. Hopefully I'll be audible enough. We won't be bringing excuse every day that the wind is too much and we're not going to do it. Guys, we have to. But I'm so glad and so grateful. There's so many things that I want us to talk about and to share. So let's walk to the field. Let's just walk to the field. I love how the sun is. It makes my face look brighter. It makes me look even much more better. Hey God, you need to do something for me, man. It's not every time that I want to make a video in the evening that the wind just comes from nowhere. I'm unable to do my videos during the morning hours. And these are the only time that I feel my mind is relaxed, rested. Carrying my gadgets to go and start working. God, when it was happening, what are all these signs about? Hey, guys, it is not fair. God, you're not being fair to me. You aren't. But we have to do it today. Whether it's going to be too heavy wind or not, we have to. Guys, you can hear that wind. That is what I'm talking about. You know, I just wanted to have that peaceful evening, nice evening. And also wanted to enjoy seeing the animals grazing peacefully. Now the wind banner. Today we are not giving up. Imagine it's 5:30 going 6, and these are my favorite moments when I want to do a video, when I want to talk to my people. Hey God, let's keep going and see what we can do. You know, we don't need to stop because of certain things. We just do not need to stop because of the wind. But I'm happy, I'm so grateful to the Almighty God. It looks so better this way. My face looks so tired. Somebody was asking me why I look so tired. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm too broke to an extent. My shoes, my slippers are deciding to leave me. Let's go, guys. So thank you so much for coming back to this channel. I wanted to do something. Guys, I was so disappointed. You know, those moments when you're so happy and you go take a video somewhere and you want to post it only to come and realize that I'm not even also sure that this one is going to be the same way. But if it is, let me connect that video and let me show you how it was. Let me connect the video over here, then let me show you how my other video was. I tried correcting, I tried turning it the other way around, and it was upside down, you know, like this is the way the phone was. But then the video, when you watch it, it's like I'm walking upside down, guys. I got so disappointed, so frustrated after walking a long kilometers. So let me connect that video and watch it and help me to understand why. Help me know the reason why this was happening. Guys, let's do a bit of campsite tour. If you remember, I told you in Wildlife Research and Training Institute they have 2 campsites. If you remember, kindly comment down below the name of the campsites. So let's tour kidogo as we go to town where those campsites are. Let's tour a little bit where those campsites are, and let me tell you, it is an amazing place. I don't know how much wind there is, but let us tour the campsite. And you know, I've actually been giving you random tour of Wildlife Research and Training Institute. We still have a lot of places at Wildlife Research and Training Institute which we have not covered, guys. We have so many places, but because the weather is hot, I decided to let's come here and talk a bit, then we go to those other places. You know, this might be a video on its own, by the way. So welcome to the campsite of Wildlife Research and Training Institute. This is headquarters campsite. This is not the only campsite they do have. They have several campsites. So, you know, like, I love campsites because many activities do take place. Like at night, this is the place they come and sit, make a, what is it called? Is it campfire or something? But the fire, light the fire here and spend night talking, being around this place, you know, being around the fireplace. We just sit on these simple, natural made benches and have a conversation. The place is well lit, by the way, so it's not dark, so you can set your tents anywhere around here. They have a place to shower. They have the pit latrine, which I think they're working on them. They will soon convert them to better toilets. These were made temporarily because so many guests moved from Hippo Camp to this place, because I was telling you about the water. I was telling you about Lake Naivasha. That was somewhere late last year and the beginning of this year. No, actually late last year, November, December. the lake was full and people were moving from those places, so it forced the Wildlife Research and Training Institute to move even their guests from there. And because so many guests were asking for the camping places for their campsite, and they couldn't send the guests away, so they decided to bring them in this place. So this is a place where so many people come to camp. Actually, it can, I don't know, I'll find out from the people who are in charge one of these fine days to bring for you a comprehensive and inclusive video. But this is a place where people come to camp, and I believe it can hold more than 300 people. But I'm yet to confirm. I don't want to give you a wrong idea, my people. So if you're planning to camp one of these fine days and you think the weather is conducive and you want to come to Naivasha, enjoy yourself and camp, you know, consider this place. It doesn't have just one place during the day. And then I love the natural trees, you know, like during the day you can just sit under a shade of tree and enjoy. They also make sure that, you know, Kenya with the nyama choma, Kenyans with nyama choma. So they make sure you also have a good place to take care of your meat. Is it grilled meat? Whatever the name it is, but we know it as nyama choma. So, but don't come here killing the animals, thinking that you can kill the animals and then you grill the animals or choma the animals. No, you cannot do that, because the security in this place is just on another level. The water supply is just enough. You cannot complain. This is a campsite well provided with enough water. Yeah, a lot of water actually, guys. A lot of water is available. So it is a place you won't say that you will not keep clean. The campsite is big. It's huge. And you see, you can divide yourself into groups. That is something which is well provided. So once you come here, they will provide you with most of the things that you need. You see, this is also another fireplace. Like, when you want to cook with fire, or when the weather is cold and you want something to warm up yourselves, yes, you can sit around here and maybe a few people. You see, they provide different places. When the weather is hot and you need a shade, you know, you don't need to carry those campsite seats. But you can carry, because, you know, but also they provide lots of spaces where you can just have a seat around. You see, because when you come to camp, you're not like somebody want to isolate yourself. You connect with each other. So you sit around and just talk, chat. In case you have anything, they're very responsive. They normally come to your aid, you know, and give you what you want, provide you with what you need. Do they provide tents? I'm not sure about it. Last time I did a video here and the video didn't have volume at all. The weather was conducive, it was nice, and you'll see the campsite in a better way as compared to right now when it is 1 o'clock and the weather is hot. I'm not even sure whether the video is visible enough, but yes, I love this place. I do love this place. You see, this is a place you can just sit, cook, you know, and have fun. They have also the sink over there, so you don't need to come and wash your utensils while bending as we are used to in Kenya. So they have a sink over there where you can wash your utensils. These are some of the camping materials, which I think they will be cleaning out. So if you have your jikos, you want to cook with charcoal. I love how open this place is. Very open, so when you're cooking with firewood, you don't feel a lot of, you know, smoke coming from this place because it is well ventilated. So as you can see, I don't know whether I can get inside. I really wish I could get inside. I'm not hindered, but it is a well lit place. Again, you will not miss a place where you can charge your gadgets. So they have sockets inside there. I don't know whether you can see some sockets. They have sockets inside there. So when you're coming, if you're a team of people, you can come with like 3 extension cables to allow everybody who is coming to have, you know, a chance to charge their phones, to charge your gadgets and the rest. So for now, schools are open. Most of the people who normally come are like students, college students and organizations. But because it is January, you will not find like so many guests, because this is the time people are doing budgeting in organizations. People are back to school. Students are back to school. Generally, people are trying to make ends meet here and there. January is not an easy time. So if you want a comprehensive video, we haven't done even a comprehensive video entirely about this place, but we will be doing that. I'm trying to be careful because, you know, sometimes wild animals are tricky, and in hot weathers like this, you might even find snakes climbing over here, you know. And as I told you, the place is well lit. The place is well lit. Well taken care of. This is solar system, if I'm not wrong. Naivasha, you can't miss the sun. And even if you miss sun, it will still come out. Kidogo, it must come out. Naivasha is not just normally hot. There are those moments when Naivasha is cold and we freeze. Yeah, so don't just take Naivasha to be a hot place throughout the year. The moments when the weather is cold, and accommodative. There are moments the weather is too hot, like right now it is too hot, very, very hot. So I decided to come here a bit and show you this place. I wanted to get hold of this tree like this, but there's some what are they called? Insects. No, not really. Are they insects, or what are they called? The small ants. The small ants are here, and there are so many. So I wanted to rest a little bit before we get to the road and go to where we were heading to. So guys, I love adventuring, but the weather is just too hot. When it is too cold, I normally complain because of my chest, being an asthmatic person. When it is now too hot, I also complain it is too hot, being an asthmatic person. But there's so many people think that the cold weather is the only one which affects people who are asthmatic. No, it is not only cold weather. Hi. Guys, I'm even sweating. I don't know whether it is visible. Yes, I'm sweating a lot. So people with asthmatic are people who are very funny. It is hard to predict. Even hot weather do affect them a lot. Struggling with hot weather is also not an easy one. Like normally someone asked me, why do you keep on carrying your bag when you are walking? Why don't you just go to a place without a bag? Is there a lady who walks without a bag? Is there a lady who walks without a bag? And inside my bag always has, okay, I normally love this bag because of the side pockets and something which I can reach for very fast. If you're an asthmatic person, you know it. The thing that I can reach for very fast is this. I normally put it in the side pocket. That is why I decided to carry my bag in front instead of taking it on my back. Because of the weather, I wouldn't have my inhaler to, you know, get heated. I have to protect my medicine. is something which I work with. It is my life. I have to use it on a daily basis. So with this kind of a hot weather, don't just assume that someone who is asthmatic need to stay in somewhere which is hot. You know, don't just judge them. Listen to them. We go through a lot and people don't understand us. There are so many people who don't understand us. That is a story for another. I did a comprehensive video on that. I didn't want to bore you with my medicine and the rest. It wasn't about me. It was about the places where we are going to capture and the places where we are going to. So guys, we have stayed in this place. We've stayed in this campsite long enough. I think we need now to walk and go to different places. Guys, you can feel the breeze. It is Naivasha breeze. I wish I was next to the lake, ocean, you know. It will be so nice and enjoyable. If you've never been to Naivasha, I don't know, you're missing a lot. You are missing a lot. A lot. Do you know why politicians normally love Naivasha? Do you know why many people normally love Naivasha? You know, if you've never identified a place to go for when you want to venture in Kenya, actually, I'm not doing this video because I'm staying in Naivasha or I just want to market Naivasha. I'm doing this video to let you know that Naivasha is a very good, beautiful place to be. You know, for those people who know Naivasha in a negative manner, stop. Change that narrative. Just change it. And, you know, we really enjoy where we are. Change the narrative about Naivasha. Yes, I'm telling you this. Change the narrative about Naivasha. Some people hear Naivasha and they're like, no, I'm not coming to Naivasha. Naivasha has a bad history since 2007. Gee, what? Naivasha is a beautiful place. A very beautiful place indeed. So change the narrative about Naivasha and come and enjoy. You will have fun. You will enjoy. You will be coming over and over and over again. If you're somebody who loves venturing in different places, I'm telling you this for free. You're not paying me. I'm just giving you ideas. If you're, you know, like I normally tell you, if you're outside Kenya, if you're in Kenya, if you're outside Kenya, if you're abroad, you know, if you're in white countries, those they normally called us third world countries. So if you are in first world countries and you are coming to Africa, consider coming to Kenya. Consider venturing into Kenya. Kenya has so many places. It's only that if you come here as a tourist, you're unable to, you know, go to all those places in Kenya, all those beautiful places in Kenya. So you need to get enough time. You need to get enough time to come and tour around Kenya. But if you're coming for 1 month, it won't be enough. You will just be squeezing yourself because you want to like do things very fast. You want to go to see this place. You want to go to Masai Mara. You want to go to Amboseli. You know, you want to go to the to Mombasa. Those places, you know, and it's like just you know, smelling and living. No, come settle. Let me say this for those people who are tour guides or people who take tourists around. People who take tourists around. If you're a tour guide person, if you're a tourist person and you want to come to Kenya, just identify one place, stay there until you get satisfied with that place. Then now you can venture around, you can walk around and do other stuff. But Kenya is a nice place to stay. Naivasha is a beautiful place to stay at. I'm telling you this for free and you will thank me later. So once you come and enjoy Naivasha, I'll not be with you. I know you will have fun. Well, someone is calling me. I know you will have fun, but I'll not be with you guys. If you're coming to venture into Naivasha, you're coming around, just take your time. Do not be here for just 2 days and say that you've walked around Naivasha and you're satisfied with Naivasha. No. Take your time. When you come to Naivasha, take your time. Move around. There's a new number. I don't know the person. Well, just move around Naivasha. Enjoy Naivasha. Have fun in Naivasha. Let me answer this call first. Yes. Yes. Ah, how are you? Hey, okay. That was nice. Well, I want to do a walk. Yes, I actually want to do a walk. Walking is healthy, though the sun is hot. But who said when the sun is hot you cannot walk? I want to burn some calories. I want to burn some fat. As I take this video walking alone. Don't mind about the weather. By the way, where we are right now, you see how people are building apartments, nice apartments. So where we are around this place, it is called Guest Inn. This is also another estate in Naivasha, where I can't even tell you that the poor people, the rich or the middle class live. And it's not like I've never stayed in this kind of a place. My journey in Naivasha began somewhere around this place. I used to stay in a single room in Naivasha. It all started with a single room, then I moved to two-roomed house. And our toilets were like pit latrine toilets. But this place is growing. I love how they are considering people. So during then, there were no like one-bedroomed house. I don't know why people never considered building a one-bedroomed house with a toilet inside. But nowadays, most of the apartments, almost all the apartments do have like a bedroom, a kitchen, you know, a bedroom, a kitchen, and maybe somewhere small for sitting room, and a bathroom and a toilet, of course. And Naivasha for a long time had a challenge of water. There were no water around, so even getting water was a nightmare. But nowadays things have changed. People have taps, as we used not to have even taps. So let's take this route, guys. I give you a glimpse of how Guest Inn is. We wanted to visit Kabati. Kabati is a bit far. And instead of just walking without taking a video, why don't we take a video of Guest Inn as we walk towards Kabati and see how things are. I might not be talking a lot because there's nothing much to discuss and tell you, you know. So this is one of a preschool in a church called Elimo. So this is the area where we used to, life began somewhere around this place. I really miss this place. It reminds me a lot of those moments when we used to hustle, You know, I'll just be giving you a small coverage, but we will do a video of Guestin. Just go around Guestin, show you the other side of how Guestin looks like. Now things have changed from how we used to live to right now, where we have modern houses like this one over here. You know, I don't know about how inside looks like nowadays, but we have to walk. If I wait until evening to go to these places, as I told you, Naivasha is very windy, and we might not even be able to make a video because of the too much wind. And hey, Laventa, if you'll be watching this video, now who used to stay here? Was it Laventa? No, there's someone who used to stay here whom I know. Colette? No, not Laventa. Laventa used to stay somewhere far away. So if you'll be watching this video, just know that I covered where you used to pass by. I know you're in Coast right now, but I'm sure you'll be watching one of these fine days. So if you'll be watching this video, just know that I covered a place where you used to stay. So what does it remind you of? I hope good things and not bad ones. But we went through hard moments when we were staying at Guestin. Well, Guestin is not... Guys, you can just hear the wind. Amazing Grace apartment. This is apartment which during my time it wasn't there, but things are changing. So I'm passing by where you used to stay, Lavi. So when you watch this video, just know that you were once upon a resident of this place. So guys, let's walk and we go to Kabati. I really think I need to be a bit faster before I go to the hospital. Yes, let's just walk and try to be a bit faster. So this place reminds you, if you're in Naivasha and this place reminds you of something, comment down below. Naivasha people are not limited. You're the reasons also why I'm also doing these videos, to remind you. People like Lydia, who else? Mercy, to remind you of how far you've come and how God has been amazing to you. The transition which you have also made. So this is just a small portion of one of the estates in Naivasha called Guestin. Ahead of us is a school, a primary school, which is a government school, but we're not going to go through that road. That is a road for another day. We will be taking that road. So let's keep walking. It is refreshing to walk. It is amazing to walk. It is a workout actually to walk. I'm already sweating a lot. And we are actually almost there. Is it? Should we make a part 1 and part 2? But as we agreed, we'll just be making a glimpse. I just give you a small glimpse, like, you know, a taste of Kabati. But as we agreed, we're still just randomly doing videos of places in Naivasha. This, you can see that hill. That is the place where we were previously. And I climbed the hill to the other side of it. I don't know what activities. The hill, that hill has good stones. I think Naivasha is a rich land. It is a very rich land. Has good stones for building, you know. let me not give people ideas of, you know, coming to mine in Naivasha. We still need our lands and we don't need those. You know, Naivasha is dusty. So if you start mining in Naivasha, you will be destroying lives of so many people. I love how apartments are being built nowadays in Naivasha, you know. Well, there are places which are not that developed in Naivasha, and I think this video needs a part 2 of it. So this is going to be part 1. Hey, doing a video when you're alone is very difficult. This is going to be part 1 of this video, and I guess we will do a part 2 now, whereby we just now do comprehensive coverage. If it is Kabati, it is all about Kabati. If it is Guestine, we do all about Guestine and walk around, you know. And remember, we still have a video to do about a night in Naivasha town. Not just Naivasha town. We will still be doing more videos about Naivasha at night. So it might not be just town. It might be like, how safe is Naivasha at night as compared to other towns in Kenya? How safe is Naivasha at night? To be honest, so far so good. I do not regret. That is one means of transportation, which is, you know, you can't walk 5 minutes without meeting a motorbike. People in motorbikes. Guys, as I talk to you, as we walk, tell me what you want to see in Naivasha. If you have been to Naivasha and you know these estates, and especially not for those rich people along, you know, if you know these estates, comment down below and tell me, Judith, you need to cover this place. Judy, you need to cover this place. Judira, you need to go to this place. You know, I'll be so glad and so grateful, you know, and I'll do it. I'm your plug for Naivasha, guys. I'm the plug for you who want to view Naivasha in a good and a better way. Now we're just close to main highway, Nakuru Nairobi highway, but I'm not going there. I'm going to Kabati Estate. It is a video which might even take longer than I think. But for those people who just think Naivasha is not a beautiful place, well, I love Naivasha. I'm actually walking somewhere. I love where there are trees, so I avoided the main highway. But you see, we will still be going around. One day you will also see this part in a different video. So don't ask yourself so many questions. I passed here less than a week ago and this place was not this way. It looks so beautiful. It really looks so beautiful. I am really not sure whether this... I can hear my phone calling. I don't know whether this is the training college for AIC or it is a different college. Maybe it is divided, but we are yet to discover, because there's something which was just done recently and the world looks so beautiful. Don't you agree with me, Kenyans? You know, black is a color for Kenyan flag, red is a color for Kenyan flag, and white must also be there in our flag because it means a lot to us. Red means a lot to us. Black, we are black in this country and we are proud of ourselves. We are proud to be black people. We are proud to be Kenyans. I'll be doing an inquiry, but not today. We will just pass by as we go, do our stuff, but we'll be making inquiry. Maybe it is a college coming soon, or maybe it is a college which has been there and we didn't know about it, or maybe somebody has decided to build for us. Oh, this is a high school. It is a high school. Wow, so nice. So nice. But I think, guys, we'll also be covering schools you know, because people might think that Naivasha is not highly populated, and that is why our politicians in Naivasha don't think about building universities in Naivasha. We really do not have a single university. That is something which annoys me so much. We do not have universities in Naivasha. Well guys, that is the main highway. I don't know whether it is visible. It is really hot. The sun is like just on top of my head, hitting me like crazy, just doing these videos for you. So this is the main highway, Naivasha Nakuru highway, the one which you see. It is always a road which is so busy over the weekends, you know. There's so many people traveling. Kenyans love roads. Kenyans love traveling a lot. If you say there's no money in Kenya, then you're like me. You're like me who is walking while there are people who are driving big, beautiful, nice cars. So I also keep on saying that we don't have money in Kenya. But there are people who have money in Kenya. There are people who have money in this country. And they're driving well nice big cars. Guys, why don't you make your girl proud and make her also have a small, even a small tiny car? Subscribe and let us enjoy this all together. So we've reached a place where I wanted us to start our video from, a video for Kabati. And as I told you, we're going to do just comprehensive. I don't want to show you my face, but I want to show you the life over here. This is a place that so many people, they just live by God's grace. They just live because people have to live. The population here is not low. As I can say, so many people live in this place, and that shows you that Naivasha people are not that rich. You know, there are people who are not rich in Naivasha. I would have taken you to the far end, but we are just going to cover a little bit, just a little bit of Kabati. So let's see life in Kabati. Let us just walk. I don't know why it is called Kabati. Could it be that many houses were built with I don't know. I will find out one of these fine days. I'll find out where that name came from. Well, the place is populated and people are looking at me, so I decided to pass there and use the road which I know. So I don't know where Kabati begins from. Guesting, the difference between guesting. Wow guys, I love this apartment. I really love this apartment, managed by Skylink Home Investments. So as I was telling you, I don't know where to divide. I don't know where Guestin ends and Kabati begins, but I know where I am is, I'm not sure. Am I? If you know, you know it. Am I still at Guestin, or have I already started Kabati? But I believe this is Kabati. Now this is another government land which is not tangible. I'll tell you the reason why I call it government land. I will tell you the reason why it is a government land, but not today. So if you know the place, you can comment down below and tell me if you know the place. So if I'm in your area, Prof, I know you stay somewhere close to this place. So if I'm in your area, comment down below. If you live in Naivasha and I'm in your area, please comment down below. Well, I'll not be giving. Wow, I love how this project is being done, because these people have to put something which shows they are the ones who are doing the project. But I don't know what the project is. I believe it is an apartment. Well, I'll not be talking much about Kabati, but we'll just be doing a walk, and because I don't have the history, I'll let you know about Kabati. I don't have that great history about Kabati. And at the same time, by the way, I don't know where Kabati ends. So I was told, somebody told me where it ends, but I'm not really that sure that that is the place where it ends. So so guys, this is the field where I was coming to, and I wanted to sit here so that we just have a talk. Having my stand over here, I don't want my phone to be blown away with the wind. So tell me what you think about that video. Yes, tell me what you think about that video. After going out collecting data and being happy, walking that distance, you know, with hot, sunny, dusty weather. This side is too much windy, this side is too much dark, and I'm not even sure whether I'm visible. But tell me guys, if that is okay. I don't know. Me, I'm getting disappointed with my Samsung gadget. Before then, let me check if you know, there's a place where you can even find hidden snakes. It is nature and they have a right to be where they are. So tell me guys, tell me if I am the one who is wrong. Tell me if it was worth it. My Samsung is really disappointing me, so I don't know. With this January, where do you expect me to get money to buy such another phone? So I really got stressed, I really got disappointed. I tried editing the video, I tried downloading it, sending it to a different gadget, you know, to see if I can do something with it, but it remained upside down. And more so, I don't know. I came back at home and my legs were swollen, having walked a long distance. I was not even able to walk properly. One of my legs was swollen and paining at the same time. I tried massaging it. I did what? I took cold water, placed my two legs on it for some time, then cleaned it, massaged it. But then one thing which frustrated me was that video. I really got stressed, I really got frustrated. So I really don't know. I think I need a better gadget more than what I'm using. But with the time, you know, normally we are being told that start with what you have. And I'll still be using the Samsung phone for quite a while because it's not even like a month old. Yeah, it's not even like a month old since I started using it, because I've been trying different phones, buying different phones, but they've never worked for me. They've really never worked for me, and I've struggled with those phones. And that's one thing which ilinirudisha nyuma with my YouTube channel a lot. And guys, tell me what I'm doing wrong, which I'm not doing right for my videos to come out like that. Still, I'm in this shelter and the wind is just too much. I'm here in this shelter and the wind is still blowing me. Let me see. Yeah, so tell me what I need to do. Don't talk about me clashing the jacket and the sweater. I just wanted to walk. It is evening, died. I didn't want to dress up for anything because there's nothing to dress up for. So tell me, my people, why is my phone disappointing me this much? I really felt so bad after walking that distance, after going around trying to show you how beautiful Naivasha is, and then my phone just disappoints me. It's not fair. It isn't fair. So tell me what I need to do, because still it is the phone. Even now, that's the phone I'm still using. But I was so ready and so prepared to go out there and get those datas, collect those datas, and show you different places in Naivasha, but anyway, it is what it is.